Okay, this shouldn't take too long. I just wanted to cover Adobe's new Enhance feature. They call it Enhance, kind of like in the movies, Enhance. Anyway, they had this on the podcast website where they kind of had it so you can make a podcast, but then I guess they put it on Adobe Beta for Premiere, and I kind of had a chance to try it out. So I'll just play the regular audio here. By the time I got to my fourth couch module building, under 5 minutes, 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Okay, so that was with no background noise. It was a pretty good time to record. However, during my next recording, the air conditioning went on, so I had that in the background. So you can hear it with that. And there you go. That is one of the units put together in about 5 to 10 minutes. So as you can see, it's not ideal. You can hear that, well, you can see, as you can hear, it's not ideal because that air conditioning is in the background. And now I tried Enhance, I already did it, so it would save the time, but you would have clicked the button in the upper right in the audio panel. So here we go. And there you go. That is one of the units put together in about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so the background noise, the air conditioning is highly diminished now, which is pretty good. They did a good job of that. And the thing about it is to keep in mind is it kind of gives a warbly sound to your audio at that point, and sometimes it's pretty bad. Other times, if you kind of got some hems and haws, it sort of makes it a little glitchy, and it actually sounds worse than just saying the ums and ahs. So that part isn't too good, and they're working on it. And by the time you watch this, maybe they've perfected it. But for me, it's sort of like I kind of have to. I mean, obviously, the best thing to do is re-record the sound if possible and get it right. But if you can't do that, then you just kind of listen to them both ways and see if it's worth it or not. But sometimes, yeah, it kind of has that warbly or like this little weird kind of gritchy sound. Gritchy? Is that a word? Anyway, I figured I'd just kind of talk about that, and hopefully they'll make it better. But it's a cool thing to at least check out if you got Adobe Premiere Beta. Cheers.